Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with CJ. Today, we're making gummy bears.
Wait for outlet. Where's the green one? Where's the green one? Where'd the green one go?
You've got a whole plate of green ones.
Oh, yeah. I think I dropped it. Why?
I don't know what you did with it.
I think I dropped it on the plate. Green for Gecko. Look.
You got a rainbow. It's very pretty, I see.
I'm going to get one for you. Can I set that all the bowls?
Yes, you can set up all the bowls. First thing you're going to want to do is to bring a pot of water up to a simmer. And of course, set up all your bowls.
I'm going to put them all together.
You gonna put them all together?
Yes.
Okay, so first thing we have to do is we have to take our Jell-O that we already measured out, and we have to put them.
I'm going to put this white.
No, we gotta put that there because we gotta put our Jell-O in the bowls. Okay? All right, so let's put our Jell-O in the bowls. What color do you want to do first?
Pink.
Pink. We don't have pink. We have red. We have orange. We have yellow, green, and blue. You gonna do blue first?
I'm blue, and you are this.
Okay, I'll be orange.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no, it's a mixer trying to mix me. Oh
All right, let's put our other colors in the bowls. So I'm gonna take red.
no. And I'm going to take this.
That's green.
I'm going to take this.
Yellow or green?
I'm just going to pick this one first.
I'm gonna take red and I'm gonna put red in the green bowl, okay?
Okay, I'm going to take these ones, and I'm going to pick.
All right,
This
open the
one.
green one up. Now open the yellow.
I can do this for mine. These are mine both.
Okay, those are yours?
Yep, I'm
Alright.
going to put white there.
Okay, and then next, now that we have our colors, we have green, yellow, red, blue, and orange. We have to take this is called gelatin.
I'm going to put it in here.
You gotta put one in each bowl.
Okay. This. And this. Okay. I'm going to put two. Okay. I'm going to do. Yeah!
Good job. Good job. All right.
Mixer.
And now that we have our hot water,
Now we are going to mix it with the water.
we are going to mix it with the water. So take that.
And put it in these. Be careful, it's hot.
It's very hot. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to let you hold this part. I'm going to help. And then we're going to take this and we're going to measure out a 1/4 cup of hot water and pour it in each one. And then we've got green, which is going to be lime.
Why is it going to be lime?
Because that's what flavor it is.
Look.
And then we've got blue, which is blueberries. It's close enough.
You missed.
I missed? Okay, I'm sorry. I was wrong. My bad.
Okay.
And then last but not least is
Well.
red. And red is what flavor is red?
Apple.
Apple? No. Ooh, Daddy got Jell-O on his hands. apple. No, it's going to be strawberry.
No, it's
Yeah.
gonna be red. And it's green pink.
Blue and red makes purple. Blue, red, and green is probably gonna make a brown color.
No. No.
How about, what color didn't we do yet? We did green. We didn't do orange.
I wanna do it.
Okay, boss.
Okay. So. No! You want to just do that? Okay. I need. Oh. We didn't do this, so. Ah! Means need more. I need to wash my hands.
Alright, you go wash your hands and I'm gonna finish, okay?
Okay. Yeah, my stool. I need to wash my hands. So, don't wash your stool.
Yeah. It's Jell-O all over yourself. And it's on my floor. How did you get Jell-O everywhere?
I can use the paper towel to wipe the
I mean,
Jell-O
you don't
off.
need a whole roll of paper towels. It's on the counter, it's on your face, your shirt, your pants, your legs, and the wall. So I think we're about ready to put these in their refrigerator so they can set. You want to carry them?
Yeah.
You sure? You okay? You got it?
Yeah.
Are you going to spill gummy bears everywhere? Okay. So now, red, which is
Strawberry.
we're going to make a big gummy bear.
That's super big.
That is super big. That is
Ah,
a giant gummy bear.
I can hold it.
You can hold it?
Yeah.
All right, so let's
That's
open
like
these.
heavy.
Let's go ahead and get these open.
I got this open. Got this open. Put that in there. Put this thing on to open. Open.
You want help?
Sure.
Can you measure out 4 tablespoons of gelatin for me, please?
Sure.
Are you ready?
Oh, that's great. Yeah. I'm going to put it. I said I'm going to put it in my spot. That thing.
Hey, well, excuse me. I'm sorry that I touched it.
Can you put that in here?
No, now you want me to do something?
Yeah. So you can put that in here. So and then I'm going to put this in here.
All right.
It's hot. I don't want to do this. Yeah. Jell-O Gummy Bears. Put the whole thing in.
Okay, we can put the whole thing in there.
It looks so hot in this gummy bear.
It is very hot.
Look, it's so
Alright.
hot.
This needs to go in the refrigerator and it has to set, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna turn it upside down
And pop it out.
and you're gonna push it out.
Super cool. I'm gonna get the big one.
You gonna get the big one?
Yeah. When you pop those out, I'm going to get the big one.
Okay.
Okay. Get the big one. Big one. And refrigerator. Whoa. All set. Oh, stinky. That was staying in the refrigerator for all day long. That's the big one. This is a giant big one. It's super flat.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Get
So we
it.
gotta pull it apart.
Yeah, right. You gotta pull it out the part. Pull it out the part. We have to pull it out the part and we have to pull it out the part.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Flip it upside down.
And take the part out.
And then push the legs.
Push the legs. Push the legs. Push the legs. Push the legs. Push the legs. Look at his tummy. Look at his tummy.
You got a fat tummy.
Oh, we have a fat tummy. Oh no, it's falling down. How do you have a fat tummy? Okay. Red, blue, red, green, orange. Wow. And here's the babe, and here's their babe, and here's their baby gummies.
Those are baby gummies?
Yeah, and these are the mommy's gummies. These are the mommy gummies.
Would you like to try some?
Cool.
Let's leave this here and let's try some. Which one would you like to try?
I'm gonna keep all the red ones.
You're gonna keep all the red ones.
Yeah. It tastes like pop.
Tastes like what?
It tastes like strawberry.
Like strawberry? I'm gonna try a green one because green is my favorite color. That tastes like lime.
Here, taste this big gummy.
You want me to taste it?
Wow, that's a big bite.
Yeah, that was a big bite.
Taste this red one, I guess.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
What does it taste like?
Apple cherry.
Apple cherry. I don't think we did apple cherry. I think we just did strawberry.
How about we take all the big ones?
You want to try the blue one next?
Yep, you can try that one.
How about you take this in, and then I'll take I'll take the foot. Ready?
Yeah. Mmm.
Wow, it's a blue raspberry.
Mmm. I'm gonna take.
You tasted that already. That's the same one.
I'm gonna taste his belly.
His belly. You're weird.
So the little one is going to be Lunar Girl.
The what?
The little one is going to be Lunar Girl.
The Jell-O one.
It's going to be Lunar Girl.
Yellow.
It's going to be this thing. Is
What color is your shirt? What color is your shirt?
I don't know how to say it. Say the thing, Leno.
It's yellow.
Look, I'm squishing him.
What color is your shirt?
Okay, I'm just not going to say it.
You gotta try.
But I don't want to say it.
Why not?
We gotta.
You gotta learn. What color? What color is a gummy bear? You know what color it is. Yellow.
Yellow.
Say it, yellow.
Yellow. Wow.